Kaylee, are you surfing the internet? Are you? Hey, you. Can I see your tooth first? Let me see those shark teeth. Oh. Let me see those shark teeth. Open up. I see the bottom too, or the top. How many teeth you got, Kay? Is that 6 now? Oh, I saw one. I saw one. Okay. Kaylee. Let me see those teeth. Oh, you. Have a smile? I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you.
Want to do a math problem?
You gonna do some calculating? Say bye-bye.
Videotaping?
Say bye-bye, KK. Say bye-bye.